Welcome back once again. In this part, we're going to learn how to work with Polygon tools. So for that, I want to create a new frame. So click on this frame and then select a new frame for it, and then select tool. And now we can take help of this polygon. So click on this polygon, and then we can draw it this way. See, we can draw it this way. And once you will draw this one, you can customize it according to your requirement. So once you will select, you will be able to see a couple of tools. So you can either convert it to a star, like a star, and you can do this thing. And then you will have another option here to drag it this way. See, so it's pretty good, guys. So if you want to make a different sort of icon or logo, then you can do it this way. Even if you want, you can rotate it like like all the processes are same. So just the tools are different, and the tool is giving us different sort of design issues. So either you can simply design it this way, and if you double click, then you will be able to generate different sort of design. Like even if you drag through this line, then you will be able to point out the dot, and once you point out the dot, you can make design. See, you can drag it this way, you can do this thing, and you can play with the design, and you will have many options to do this thing. And we have made this design. So it's like one kind of, what I can say, dog or cat. So let me make it a good design. So I'm gonna take help of these ellipse tools, and I'm gonna draw a small part here, and then I'm gonna change the color of this icon. Okay, so I guess we need to have the same height. Oh, it has same height and weight. So let me increase the height and weight to 12, and here we go. So we have made this design. Now let me change the background color of this one. So just select it and give the background color. See, you can change the background color, anything that you want to have, but this is not gonna look good, so I'm gonna change it to white. Now here you go. So now it looks pretty good, guys. And now if we want to drag it, so then how can you do it? Because we have two options here. You can see one is ellipse and one is our path, which is our polygon, right? So we need to select both, and then we can make group. Either press Command G on your keyboard, or right click and click on this groove, and it will become a groove. Now we can take help of this repeat grid options. So click on it and make the duplicate data as much as you want. So another thing, that if you want, you can duplicate the data in horizontal way. See, this way. All right, so let me select, and let me drag it here, and then here you go. So now we have two options. Now I'm gonna play few more things with this polygon tools, so that you guys can end up knowing how can we use these polygon tools while we will work on different sort of mobile application or web application. Okay, so this is our fresh polygon tools. We didn't change anything. Now look at here, guys. This is the thing that I wanted to show you. So in here you will be able to see the option is 3. So what it is indicating? It is indicating that how many corner do you want. So right now 3, we have 3 corners. See, 1, 2, and the 3. And if you want to have more, then change it to more. Here you go. Now we have 5 corner. Look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you need more, then you can simply add more. So now we have 6, 2 to 4 to 6. All right. Now in here we have the option to rotate it. Not rotate it, just it will give you the border radius. Remember that we always have an option to add a border radius. And so if you want, you can increase the size here. So we're at 90, and it has become circle. So we cannot use the 90 here, so at least add 30 here. Okay, now once you will have this one, just double click, just click on it, and then you can simply circle it or drag it this way. And if you want to have this option, then you can do it this way. All right, and so remember that when you are doing this thing, the percentage is changing from here. So in here you can see the icon, and it says a star ratio. So what sort of ratios do you want? If you want to have 100%, then simply you can increase it, then it's 100%. And if you want to decrease it, then you can decrease it, and it will give you different shape here. Okay, and from this icon, okay, so in here we have two icons basically. I am saying this icon means like the dot options that it is giving us. So when we will do this thing, it is going to increase. So when we're going to increase it, and this ratio is coming from this option, like the 7 corner. Okay, and in here you can see another dot options, and this one is our percentage option. You can see the percentage is changing. So in here you will see two options. One is this one, and once you are selecting this one, in the bottom you will be able to see this icon is appearing like this icon. It means that the percentage of the star ratio, and in here it will give you like how you want to show your star, and in here you will be able to see, or you can simply change it from here. All right, so hope it helps you a lot to learn this thing. Now let me change the background color of these options. So if you want to change the background color, then you can simply change the background color by selecting this option here. See guys, it looks pretty good, isn't it? So now we made a design. Let me duplicate it, and then in here, so now we can customize it, right? So let me add a different design. So let me increase the size to 67%, and for this icon it's not looking good, so it looks good this way. See, this way it looks good. So in here when you will select, you will be able to see two options. One is star ratio, and then another one is for like how you want to show it. It's not showing the name of this one, but it should show the name. All right, so these two icon, here we go. Okay, and then let me change the color from here. All right, this color, and let me add one more time. So this is the polygon option here. Let me show you what else we can do with this option. So with that option we can add our shadow. Obviously we can add shadow here, and before adding the shadow, I'm gonna change the design a bit more from here, and also the size, and I'm taking the help of this one. So okay, so change it to 9. The corner count, how many corner do you want to have? Now we will have 9 corner, right? And then we can make this design. Here we go. See the percentage, and then I'm gonna change the background color from here. And if you want to have a border here, let me add a border, and then add border 5, and we can see a border here. And let me change the color of the border. See, we can see this border. Like another thing is that inside this border we can add the dash. We can add 5, and we can see this option. So 5 will not be good. Okay, add 5, and for the gap, okay, so add it to 3, and now we can see this design. And if you want to have box shadow, then you can simply add the value of the box shadow, like X, Y, and B, like the X position and Y position and the B position, and see the shadow is coming from this one. So I have added a bit more, so I'm going to decrease, like at 10. See, now we can see the shadow. And from this option I'm gonna add 20, Okay, so this way you can change your color. So I hope you guys have learned how to work with Polygon and how can we create different sort of designs. So I'm going to stop this video right here and we'll continue it from the next lecture. See you guys in the next lecture. Bye bye.